Hello everyone, I am Jayesh Todi. So in today's video I will be helping you all to revise depth first search. It is a part of the graph revision series. So before I start this video, there is just two prerequisites that we need to have in order to watch this video ahead. One, the graph fundamentals, like what is an adjacency list, how is it made, how it works, and another thing is recursion. Okay, so let's start. So basically let's start with an analogy. Suppose you want to study DSA as a whole. So first, in order to complete DSA, you need to complete graph. It is part of it, right? Now when you start graph, you need to know what is an adjacency list, and for example you need to know basic knowledge of recursion or iteration. Now for adjacency list, you should know what is a node and what is an edge. So basically what is happening is we are going from top to bottom and following a one particular path before we complete each of the things. So this is what happens in depth first search. We go all the way down to the bottommost edge, generally starting from the root edge in the generally starting from the root node, sorry, in this case DSA. So we go all the way to the bottom and then we cover each of them one by one. Okay, so this is depth first search. Let's move to the algorithm. So this is how the basic algorithm looks. It's very simple. It basically consists of two steps. First one is visiting the node, and second one, basically if the node is not visited, we need to call a DFS function for the same child node. So let's understand this through an example. Always for example, I'm calling it from this node. Okay, so from this node, what is the first step? I will visit this node. This is visited. Now I will go down. I will go through all the children of this node. So this and this are the children of this node. So is this visited? The condition, no, it is not. So I will call DFS for this function. Okay, so now again this node is visited. Now again I will go to the children. This and this are the children of this node. So what will happen? This is already visited, so it will skip this because of this condition. Now it will come to this node. It is not visited. It will call DFS for this. I come again. Now I visit this node. Now since there is only one child and it is visited, so nothing will be called from here. We will jump back here. Now as you remember, for this there were three of them. One was visited, one we have visited, and now this is left. So we will call DFS for this. We will visit this one. Similarly we go here, then we come back here again, then we go here, we visit this, we come back here, we come back here, we come back here, then visit this, then back, and boom, it's over. So this is what depth first search is. Okay, it's three things to take care of. One, always visit the node, because if you don't visit, for instance you don't visit this node, you go down here. Now again, since this is not visited, this is considered as a child, so it will again go back here, then again. So this will end up in an infinite recursion. And second is this one, called DFS for the function, like for the child node. Okay, let's see the code for this. So on the left side it is C++ code, and on the right it is Python. One thing to note in both of these codes is that the visited and the adjacency lists are assumed to be declared globally. So with the DFS code in C++ and Python, as you can see, the structure is almost same as the algorithm. Visited node, first we visit the node, then we go through the children, through the adjacency list. Then if the child is not visited, again not visited, then we call DFS for that child. Okay, so this is how basically we perform DFS. Thanks for watching. If you guys need any more short videos on any other topics, please just post it in the comments.